How well is your port prepared for extreme weather? Climate change is bringing more extreme weather events more often, causing millions in damage in repairs and downtime, in addition to risking worker safety. According to the World Port Sustainability Report 2020, many ports still lack the basic response procedures needed for extreme weather assessment, contingency plans, and warning systems. Extreme weather increases the risk of damage to port infrastructure, delays in operations, and the safety of people and assets. In the long term, these risks will multiply, impacting operational efficiency, business viability, and the reputation of ports. Vaisala Solutions can help you to become the future-proof port you need to be. With the help of more accurate information on prevailing hyperlocal weather conditions and near-term forecasts, ports can be better prepared for extreme weather and operate more cost-efficiently. Accurate insights on wind, precipitation, upcoming storms, and wave height enable decision-makers to take the right actions at the right time. Knowing the best time for maneuvering or crane operations, for example, can keep operations on track safely. Visit Vaisala.com/sustainableports and start building your ideal future-proof port with Vaisala's industry-leading port weather solutions.